Learn bread names in English. White bread.
White bread.
Wheat bread.
Wheat bread.
Sourdough.
Sourdough.
Rye bread.
Rye bread.
Baguette.
Baguette.
Ciabatta.
Ciabatta.
Focaccia.
Focaccia.
Pita bread.
Pita bread.
Brioche.
Brioche.
Challah.
Challah.
Multigrain bread.
Multigrain bread.
Cornbread.
Cornbread.
Bagel.
Bagel.
Soft pretzel.
Soft pretzel.
Pumpernickel.
Pumpernickel.
Lavash.
Lavash.
Matzo.
Matzo.
English muffin.
English muffin.
Crumpet.
Crumpet.
Kaiser roll.
Kaiser roll.
Panettone.
Panettone.
Fougasse.
Fougasse.
Croissant.
Croissant.
Cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon roll.
Did you learn something new about bread today? I personally love a good brioche. How about you? Let us know in the comments which bread is your favorite. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English vocabulary lessons. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.